Cartoon animation video script on Sparrow and Parrot, the golden grain and the brightest feather. Visual, a bright, sunny orchard. Pip is hopping on the ground looking for seeds. Paco sits on a high branch, preening his neon green feathers. Cheerful whistling wind and bird chirps. Paco, Pip, look at my feathers. They glow like emeralds. Don't you wish you weren't so brown? Pip laughing, my brown feathers help me hide in the dry grass, Paco. It's quite useful. The sky turns gray. Wind starts to howl. Leaves fly everywhere. Distant thunder and a sudden whoosh of wind. Pip, the great monsoon is coming early. We need to find the hollow oak tree. Paco panicked, wait. My long tail feathers. They're getting caught in the wind. I can't fly straight. Paco is struggling against the wind. Pip flies low to the ground, agile and quick. Pip grabs a sturdy vine in his beak and pulls Paco toward a small, hidden opening in a thick hedge. Heavy rain starts to fall, pitter-patter. Pip, follow my lead, Paco. Stay low where the wind is weaker. Paco breathless, I'm coming. Just don't let me hit that branch. Both birds are safe and dry inside a cozy, hollowed-out log. The rain is pouring outside. Paco, I'm sorry I teased you, Pip. Your dull feathers and small size just saved my life. Pip, we all have our strengths, Paco. Your colors brighten the orchard, and my size helps me navigate the storm. The sun comes out. A rainbow appears. The two birds fly out together, side by side. True friends shine in every weather.